Welcome to our tutorial on how to use Keyframe in CapCut PC. 1. Upload a video and an image to CapCut and add them to the timeline. 2. Click the video track and then drag the playhead to find the beginning of the clip you want to change parameters. 3. Now turn to the Video Basic panel on the right of the preview window. Supposing that you want to change the size and position of one scene in this video, you can click the Add Keyframe icon next to the position and size to add a keyframe. 4. Drag the playhead again to find the end of the clip you want to change parameters. Click the icon again to add another keyframe. 5. After adding 2 keyframes, you can start adjusting the video's size and position by adjusting the parameters on the panel or directly dragging and dropping its edge to change its position and size. 6. Preview the video after adjusting. You have learned how to use Keyframe in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching our guide.